tennis or playing golf, any kind of sport, you're having to touch somebody.
And they're putting the weird innuendos into it.
Yes. So
taking it to another level. Like I said, like this is next level sickness
dirty.
right here, bro.
Yes, bro. It's disgusting.
It's kind of
it's not even cool.
It's kind of dirty.
And then Andrew talking about he pulling a gun out on somebody, bro.
Oh,
like
I believe it was in Hawaii. They said that he was at somebody's house and he was arguing with them at their house, arguing with them. And then he got an argument with the father and the whole family, and then he just pulled out a gun and said, "Hey," pointed at the kid and was like, "You want to go? You want to go?"
Allegedly,
he said,
allegedly,
of course. But bro, that's kind of like
he allegedly gave a woman
a flash, bro. What are you doing?
Yeah, he allegedly gave a woman a rear naked choke. Just.
Dude, another alleged crime. He choked someone out apparently.
A woman, and she didn't press charges.
Yeah, I wonder why she didn't press charges. Check her bank account. Yeah, whatever. Allegedly.
I mean,
she's got a couple million.
You could allegedly give me a few, dollars.
I didn't see nothing.
Bro,
we'll stop talking about you right now, bro. We'll change the stream to why not?
I remember, dude, seeing a TikTok of him. Apparently, he was like tailing some KKK members, and he was threatening the KKK. And he was like, I was like, dude, I think that was
Krispy Kremes.
I'm telling you, bro.
No, bro.
Ku Klux Klan.
No, dude, bro. I literally was like, that was the first time I saw the video on Twitter. I was like, bro, this dude's got a screw loose, bro.
Yeah, man.
He's got to have a screw loose.
He has quite a few.
A lot of weirdness, right? But Rudy, you have his apology.
I do have his apology.
Rudy has his apology. While Rudy pulls it up, Andrew, talk to me about this, bro. You said about the apology.
Yeah.
Is the apology because he got busted, or is it because he's trying to get another job?
It is straight up fake. There's no way that somebody's just gonna come out and say an apology unless they get caught. That's
what I'm saying.
It's like, how you gonna, yeah, man, come on. We know.
I had the apology right here. Y'all ready?
Rudy, hit me with it.
It says, having recently gone through a time of intense crisis. Choking down a woman's kind of intense.
No.
I now understand that I am suffering complex mental issues and have begun ongoing treatment, for being the crap out of people at bars. Minter says, I want to apologize to everyone that I have alarmed and upset with my past behavior. Yeah, that child you're grooming, just chilling. I am committed to doing the necessary work to get back to healthy.
I love Rudy's commentary on his apology.
And productive stage in my life, right? You're 29 years old and you still don't got it together? Come on, my dude.
Come on, man.
You're a millionaire. You're 29 years old and, I'm going to go correct my behavior. And you know what you need to correct? You need to get right with Jesus, my dude. That's what you Dear Lord, we're coming before you, Lord. Ask you for your middle, Lord. So,
bro, Rudy, so that was his whole apology?
Yeah.
Do you think he's pleading mental insanity to skip jail time?
Oh,
right?
for
Of course,
sure,
bro.
Dude.
Of course, that's a given. Yeah, that guy. I mean, come on. Who do you think he's really gonna say sorry for nothing? Like, hey, guess what? I had an epiphany. I'm going through all these things in my head. I just want to say that I'm sorry.
Right? I have
for my own secrets.
You know what? I have a revelation that there's stuff y'all don't know about.
Yeah, you don't need to know.
And I just want y'all to know that I'm going through a lot right now, but I want to change my ways.
I'm gonna go to the doc.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go to the doc.
I'm gonna go to the doc because
you don't need to know though.
Yeah, you need to know that no one's caught me child grooming.
Man, come on.
Henry Cavill told me to groom a dog, but I wanted to do a child. It's easier.
Allegedly.
Bro.
Rudy, talk to me about this, bro, because you come to this kind of point, bro. It's like, at what point is DC gonna stop hiring these weirdos? You got Amber Heard chopping off fingers of Johnny Depp, bro. Like,
no,
you
said chopping fingers, but the worst one is taking that dookie in the middle of the bed, bro.
That wildness,
bro. Like, who does
and then
that?
go out and then go laugh with your friends about it.
Yes, like you're the one who dropped it, just chilling.
Dude, Amber Heard psycho, and then I
really hope she wiped, bro.
Ezra Miller.
She used the pillow and put it face down.
Well, he's all passed out. The caca stain right there on his face. Because of the pillow.
Dude, that's so wild, dude. The wildness, Rudy, right? You got these, dude. Multiple people, bro, are just wild, dude, in all this, dude. What do we do? Dude, WB's falling apart, bro. They gotta be falling apart.
Like, about that, you know what's crazy? It's like, you don't think like regular people wouldn't do that. Like someone like, hey, I'm gonna leave you. I'm just gonna take off and slash your tires or this. No, this chick's like, I'm gonna go poop in your bed, bro. Yeah. Like, I hope you come back and you're like in my chorro. Like, what? Who does that?
I'm gonna go strip you naked.
She was just sitting down in her, her bed or whatever. Like, I'm gonna cut up.
She cuts his finger off and then talks about beating him up.
Imagine between like like drinking her little glass of wine, and the finger she's playing with on the table because she just cut him off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go poop in this dude's bed. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna use this pillowcase as my
And then Ezra Miller goes and he's assaulting people. He's tracking the KKK to try to stop
Ezra Miller's like, Ezra,
world
you know
peace.
What? I'm gonna try to top you. I'm already child grooming, but I'm gonna go choke out an old lady right now in Hawaii. See if I can get away with it. You know.
I believe it.
Hey Rudy, so we talked about this. This is foolishness. Is this guy ever gonna get another movie? I want to know. I'm curious, bro. Is he gonna jump back in? I will say this. It's got to be something when you see a lot of these people in Hollywood a little unhinged, bro.
Yeah.
So is he done? Like, what are they gonna do? They're scrapping the Flash movies.
I'm being
for
serious,
sure,
dude.
at least for now,
I
bro.
don't think so.
If he does get a major role, it's gonna probably be like in like a B movie. They're not gonna allow him to come back because the allegations of choking somebody out, being a crap by somebody. Okay, Johnny Macro, chill. But talking about like child grooming, that's something they don't like to play with, even though Hollywood's full of eating babies.
Allegedly and all that.
Allegedly eating babies.
Of course.
Dude, bro.
Proven.
So do you think they're done? Movies, Andrew?
I think he's done. He's done.
He's done. Is
I don't
WB
believe
done
that.
making Flash movies?
No.
How did they salvage this? No, I'm
No.
saying, how do you even salvage this, dude? This is a bad look.
It's
You already
really
had the
good.
movie
Dylan
pretty much
O'Brien.
done.
I agree.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
They hired Dylan O'Brien.
But like,
There you
how
go.
long is that gonna take? Because you already had the movie pretty much done, and then you like scrap the whole movie project, and then you scrap the whole Bad Girl project.
You
Like,
see, the whole thing with WB is that they're stupid, bro.
Yeah.
I want to be straight with you. They're sitting on gold mine, bro. DC's a gold mine.
yeah, as far as
And
content, right?
They're
Oh,
gold mine. They're sitting on a gold mine when they decided to actually try to portray to the whole community that's trying to rule everything these days, trying to cancel culture everybody.
Yeah.
Instead of actually going through with, there's more nerds than there is LGBTQ followers.